Hi, you guys. I thought I'd just get on here and make a little afternoon video. I am out on the property and it's a nice sunny day. It was raining this morning, but it has heated up, not cooled off as they told us it was going to be in the 60s. But yeah, so I'm out on the property just taking a walk and just wanted to say hello, check in. Yes, everything is pretty good. Let me see. There's some cars and a moving truck coming. And yeah, so just hanging out a little bit. Gonna hear a little noise because this is a moving truck. And yep. See, so there. Maybe someone's moving or moving in. I hope you can hear me. But in any case, it's a nice day out, and I just decided to come out and just take a little walk around the property just for exercise. I went to the mailbox, and yes, maybe I'll go live later when it's not as warm out. But come on in. Say hello to everyone. Thank you for being here. Yes, you have the option. We could have a garage if we wanted to. I might do that later on, maybe when it gets cold outside. It ain't gonna get that cold, but you know. So the other thing I wanted to do really is to actually shoot a video by the pool, because the pool is so nice. Oh my gosh. I haven't been in it yet. No, I have not been in the pool yet. But that's coming. That's coming. And hello. Yes, just saying hello to my neighbors. Let me go on this side of the pool. And yes, there's like a little garden area here. And like I said, it's a pretty nice place. There's the pool behind me. The pool is fenced in because yes, at some point, sometimes we have the grandkids come to see grandparents and what have you. And I see there's some bugs right there, so I won't go there. But I will go over here so that you can see. I still got into bugs. They'll have to do something about that. I know they'll be all in my hair when I get upstairs, but yeah, so there's a little gazebo here. You can come out here, sit down and have your lunch or meet with friends. And yeah, it's pretty. It's pretty nice over here. Yep. It's lighted. Oof. Yeah. You know those little tiny bugs that's always around in the summertime. I gotta brush my hair out. Yep. But anyway, I just wanted to come in and say hello to everyone and let you know it's doing pretty good out here. Let's see. I'll go back this way. Hi. Welcome. And you know, wherever you are, just learn about your surroundings. You know, enjoy the moment. Every experience is for a reason. You know, we all start new chapters in our lives, and you know, sometimes it takes learning a whole new area, so to speak, and that's where I am right now. I'm learning a whole new area. As you all know, I transitioned from Florida to Texas, and it is a great learning experience. Um, yeah, but so far so good. I can't complain. I am feeling pretty relaxed right now, and yeah, there's some other things that are coming up. Some craft shows are coming up, and there are different celebrations. There's, Spanish heritage, and Mexican heritage, Hispanic heritage, whatever. That's coming up, and we'll be going to some events like that. And of course, we're always in the restaurant because my sister and brother-in-law love to eat. Not that I don't enjoy it too. So anyway, but just so you know, everything is good. I'll talk to you later. Like and subscribe, shares. Yes, tell others where I'm at. It's okay. I don't know. It's not like I gave you a whole address or anything. So go ahead. Have a good day. Bye.